air. Myntri Rangbah ke jela ukong rat ke sangma hene ke sengi ulo ong ba ke Sorkar kan yai Bteng ban Pynlut ha ke Pule Puthi bat bantai ya ki jaka Pule na ke benta ki jing Pule ki bakham shajrong ha ke jela. Haba ai jingkren ha ke jing Pule ya ke Sorkar Government College ha ke balai don lang Myntri ke tenat Pule Puthi rakam sangma bat ke Myntri ke tenat ke kuat ke kia i Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo Myntri Rangbah ula penbena ba ke jing Pule ba kham chadrong kalong ke ba kongsan ha ke ba nakalian ke Sorkar pedeng kan sawanra ya ki jing Pule Science, Engineering but Architecture ha ke jela. Ula penpau ba on sa penthemain hado hajar sanspa teli ki LP School lane bantai ya ke jinglut ke ba sanspa klur tingka.
Absolutely necessary for our children so that they can get better opportunities in the future, and hence since the cabinet has not passed it yet, I cannot say that it is passed, but let me just share with you and tell you as the Chief Minister of the state and as the obviously who chairs the cabinet, I can tell you the day it comes to the cabinet, it will be approved and it will be clear, because we are very clear in our mindset that we will never compromise on education.
Myntri ke tenat Pule Puthi rakam sang